This Vanguard fund is a top choice for value investors. Vanguard Value ETF offers well-diversified exposure to large-cap value stock. Vanguard Value ETF VTV constructs a well-diversified, market cap-weighted basket of U.S. large-cap value stocks for a low cost. The fund replicates the CRSP U.S. Large Cap Value Index, which holds large-cap stocks trading at lower valuations and weights them by their market cap. These companies have modest valuations that reflect their dimmer outlooks. However, performance relative to expectations is what counts, and these firms' meager valuations are a lower hurdle to delivering solid returns. If you're new to our channel, then subscribe and stay connected with us by like, comment, and share this video. U.S. large-cap stocks attract widespread attention, and new information is quickly reflected in prices. Market cap weighting is a sensible approach here. It harnesses the market's collective wisdom of each stock's relative value. The fund accurately mimics the contours of its average peer, which emphasizes the fund's minuscule fee in driving Morningstar category relative outperformance over the long run. The fund's sector allocations did not deviate by more than 5% from the category average as of April 2024. The fund also trades at a similar average valuation as its typical peer. The fund is well diversified compared with its average peer. Its top 10 holdings represent only 22% of the portfolio, while the category average is 28%, so it has less stock-specific risk. Vanguard Value ETF Performance Highlights. The fund's low-fee, well-diversified portfolio, and its ability to accurately capture the opportunity set available to its peers drive its category relative performance. Over the 10 years through April 2024, Vanguard Value ETF outperformed its average peer by 1.61 percentage points annualized. Its low fee should help it continue that outperformance over the long run. The fund is always fully invested, while its actively managed peers can hold cash. This aids its performance during market rallies. However, being fully invested isn't likely to translate into strong performance during downtowns. That said, the fund held up better than its average peer in 2022, outperforming by 3.97 percentage points. The fund's modestly higher exposure to industrials, energy, and communication services stocks buoyed its performance. Value stocks rebounded at the end of 2020 and continued their strong performance through March 2023, helping the fund outperform its typical peer by 1.27 percentage points annualized with similar volatility. The fund's energy and industrial stocks, along with its low cash drag, aided its performance. The fund has tightly tracked its index. It trailed the CRSP U.S. Large Cap Value Index by only 6 basis points annualized over the 3 years through April 2024, or about 2 basis points higher than its 0.4% expense ratio. For more in-depth analysis and exclusive content, visit our website at financialmarkets.online. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest financial trends.